In June 2025, Ukraine launched one of its most daring and far-reaching drone attacks deep inside Russian territory. But what makes this story even more astonishing is how those drones got there. Operation Spiderweb, a covert Ukrainian intelligence mission, smuggled drones into Russia inside wooden cabins hidden in plain sight. These cabins were unknowingly transported by Russian civilian truck drivers, right near key military targets. Once in place, the drones were remotely activated. Their targets: the Engels-2 air base in Saratov Oblast, home to Russia's strategic bombers; the Dyagilevo air base in Ryazan Oblast; and a high-tech missile and aviation electronics plant in Michurinsk. Explosions lit up the night sky, damaging aircraft, igniting fuel tanks, and striking an oil depot feeding Russia's long-range bombers. One of the largest explosions occurred at the Crystal plant, a critical oil facility supplying Tu-95 and Tu-160 bombers. Flames and smoke could be seen for miles. Russia's response was swift and sweeping. Authorities launched Operation Clampdown, nationwide truck inspections designed to catch any future drone smuggling attempts. The result: massive delays. In regions like Irkut, truck traffic has ground to a halt, with multi-kilometer backups choking major highways. For an economy already struggling under international sanctions and wartime logistics, this new layer of security checks is a devastating blow. Operation Spiderweb isn't just a battlefield tactic, it's an information and logistics war, turning Russia's own infrastructure into a liability. Even as Russian air defenses claimed to have shot down over 170 drones, the damage was done. Fuel depots burned, helicopters destroyed, delays stretching into days. With long-range drone warfare now reaching hundreds of kilometers into Russia, and Operation Spiderweb proving the vulnerability of civilian transport, this new phase of the war is hitting home in a way the Kremlin didn't expect.